Say out loud what's happening. ये चप्पल में कुछ चप्पल ही नहीं है. Hercules meet Hercules. And yay! Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. It's the 5th of May today. बज रहे हैं 2, almost 1:20 हो रहा है currently. I am going out to get my hair colored. I just want to get my root touched up and maybe do a little bit of toning. ये जो golden दिख रहा है वो शायद काटने की कोशिश करेंगे. I don't want to color, honestly speaking, because my hair becomes very dry post coloring, and also it's the summer, so right now my hair fall is very less. My hair is behaving itself. Everything is on track और बाल अभी गिर नहीं रहे, तो मुझे खाली रूट टच अप कराना है because I'm going for travel next week, so it's the big travel that I was talking about. Definitely want my roots to be touched up, but I'm not sure if I want to color the entire mane. So I'll go there, I'll discuss with the hairstylist and I'll see. Asha at Neha Salon is who always colors my hair. She's really good. She understands colors really well. She knows what to do. Plus I'm carrying जो मैंने last vlog में खरीदा था, मेरे hair extensions. I've bought hair extensions and I'm going to be taking them with me to get my color match. तो अगर मैं पूरा कलर नहीं करा रही तो इससे मैच करवाऊंगी, तो ये भी आज करना है. तो लेट्स गो. दिस इज ऑल नाउ इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज दिस इज द लास्ट वीक बिफोर आई लीव फॉर माई ट्रैवल. तो अभी ये हफ्ते विल बी शॉपिंग, पैकिंग, लास्ट मिनट प्रेप, वो सब कुछ करना है. लेट्स गो.
A few moments later.
What's up? हेलो. ये रूट्स को टच अप करना है एंड देन टोनिंग करना है.
Longer than a few minutes later.
Lovely. Super. हो गया ना? Yes, follow Impulse Coffees for a funny reel between Sharon and Bonita. I am back in office. मैंने 2 वीडियो अपने लिए कर लिए, 2 वीडियो Impulse के लिए कर लिए, तो मेरा आज का शूट स्केड्यूल हो गया है. I have to still sit with my ops team on something, but I love the hair. It's not too fancy. Like I've not done highlights or anything. I've just done toning. This is not global. ये एक बार खुलेगा ना, then you can see the dimension. But I love the dimension. It's so soft and smooth. अभी तो of course straightening किया उन्होंने, तो एकदम soft लग रहे बाल. मेरे normal बाल ऐसे नहीं है. I hate straight hair on me, especially because my hair is so scanty. I don't have a lot of volume happening, so I like a little bounce to my hair जो अभी flat लग रहा है. But I like that the roots are brown again. I don't keep my roots black. I don't like black hair on me anymore, especially ever since I started coloring my hair. It's an addiction for sure. Once you start seeing yourself in this colored hair, you don't want to see yourself with black, like jet black hair again. So I like brown on me personally. This particular color also they do it at Neha Salon इतना अच्छे से, like they tone it when they are washing my hair only. जैसे अलग से कलर लगा के नहीं बैठना पड़ता है, खाली रूट टच अप के लिए अलग से बैठना पड़ा. They toned the hair during the wash, तो जितने गोल्डन्स थे सब चले गए. The chocolatey brown with a little bit of gold hint is there. When I wash it, it will open nicely. Okay guys, 8 बज रहा है and I feel like having a coffee now because मुझे एक और YouTube वीडियो शूट करना है and then मेरी मीटिंग भी है एक और. आज मेरा बहुत लंबा मंडे होने वाला है.
2 hours later.
अमित आया, आते के साथ खर्चा करा दिया है मेरा.
हमने खर्चा करवा दिया.
I bought the 16 Pro Max on Amazon.
Not on me guys.
मैं कब से सोच रही हूँ लेने के लिए. मैं बहुत बार स्टोर में जाके इंक्वायर की. मैंने 14 के बाद लेने वाली 16, बट बहुत महंगा था इसलिए आई हैव बीन हेजिटेटिंग. बट ग्रेट समर सेल, नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड.
मैंने भी पूछने किया था. मैं एक्चुअली 2 दिन से यूज कर रहा हूँ. इसका वीडियो एक्चुअल में अच्छा है.
You saw the difference that came in his video and mine. That is I was sold. I was sold there.
हाँ सच्ची.
The moment तू रखा इधर, this is a wrong decision.
Yeah, इसने मम्मी के लिए.
मैं कभी this is gonna go somewhere.
बाहर से का कैमरा बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है इसकी.
Because इसका यूज कर रही थी ना मैं पूर्णिमा का.
कलर टेम्पर.
बट Amazon का अच्छा है ना. तूने Flipkart पे लिया ना.
क्योंकि Amazon उससे भी बड़ा है.
DJI वगैरह तो अपन Amazon पे देते हैं.
Amazon ऑथेंटिक है भाई. Flipkart से भी बड़ा ही है.
The next day.
Hello, it is Tuesday today and quite a hectic day for me. I have a very long task list. वो भी हो पाएगी कि नहीं I have no idea. बाल एकदम frizzy हो गए because सुबह मैं workout के लिए गई थी तो अभी मेरे natural waves आ रहे हैं. But that's okay. I'm just gonna tie it up and I have a shoot. I'm shooting some photos for Mother's Day because we are doing exclusive combos for Mother's Day. I have to do my एक branded video मुझे करना है और edit बहुत ज़्यादा काम है edit का. तो मुझे vlog डालना है, reels डालनी है. मैंने कितने टाइम से मई शुरू हो गया, अभी तक एक भी reel नहीं डाली हूँ. I already had one meeting in the morning and now we're working on something that you all have wanted at Impulse Coffees for very long. Finally, we are working at that. This is not a product, it's a feature. It's two features actually that we are simultaneously working on. Inshallah ho jayega by next week. That's the deadline I've given myself and the team. And we are also working on WhatsApp marketing. We don't really use WhatsApp marketing. We use Instagram, we use YouTube, and of course we use me, but we don't use WhatsApp marketing. So we will work on that as well.
A little later.
Guys, आज मैं बना रही हूँ खाना माँ मेड इट के सेट पे. देखो मेरा कुछ तो बनाया है मैंने. बिस्किट और चॉकलेट क्रीम चीज मिक्स करके.
Cream cheese cake with Impulse coffee.
Yes, hot chocolate. हम तुम और hot chocolate. Yes, on discount for Mother's Day. ना गंदा करके रखी हो मेरा फ्रिज.
मैंने पहले पूछी कि फ्रिज साफ है.
ये मेरे घर में पहले कुछ नहीं हुआ करता था. माँ
वही सोच तेरे घर में फ्रिज में कुछ नहीं होता था.
इट्स ओके, हम लोग जोमेटो करते थे. जिंदगी अच्छी थी. आज मैं इतनी बिजी हूँ बट मम्मी मेरे को कितना हैरान कर रही है.
कल शूट कैंसिल.
Two hours later.
Oh my god, you guys, it's 8:33 and I am so tired. Oh, बिस्तर पे पड़ने के साथ I want to sleep. थकलीस. Very tired. My body hurts a lot. बहुत काम चालू है यार अभी. बहुत ज्यादा हेक्टिक हो रहा है. बस last 2 weeks. बस अगले हफ्ते we'll be gone. I need a good foot massage right now. I feel like booking one on Urban Club. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna take off this makeup. I need to actually speak to Reet also. I've not spoken to her the entire day.
A few inches later.
मैं रूम में बैठ के खाना खा रही थी और इतनी ज्यादा आवाजें आ रही है बाहर से. I thought it started raining. It's May. It's like 6th May today. And I opened the window. It is a windstorm. भूकंप है. पूरा धुंधला हो गया है. सब हवा में उड़ रहा है. This is the आंधी of wind before it starts raining. Look at the wind. Crazy. पूरा व्यू चला गया. देखो एकदम धुंधला हो गया है. I think it's gonna rain in the night. I'm gonna keep it shut only, of course. वरना अंदर आ जाएगी चीजें उड़ के. 31st फ्लोर पे बारिश बहुत ज्यादा तूफानी होती है वैसे इधर. If because the sea is right here in front, so the sea winds come inside and everything starts shaking in my house. So I anyways keep the windows closed even during monsoon. I was eating some chicken and trying to see. My Wi-Fi is also not working. I think probably due to this wind only the Wi-Fi. Yeah, the Wi-Fi router. Can you see it's red? My doors are banging. देखो हवा से हिल रहा है सब.
The next day.
Hello. मुंबई की ओवरनाइट जज्बात हालात सब कुछ बदल गए. It was so gloomy last night. There was a full windstorm. सुबह उठी तो it was raining, but now the weather is so pleasant. Like it's beautifully cloudy. It's not become super hot after raining, so it feels really nice. We are heading out in the evening, like by 4 o'clock, 4:30. We'll go out. Sherin and I, we are going shopping for the Chalvitzar, which is coming next week. थोड़ी सारी चीजें खरीदनी है, so we are going shopping. I'm very excited to go shopping today after so long. I'm going to go in the daytime during working hours shopping. This is like a work trip, right? The next week's Chalvitzar. So the things I need is important, and I'm just getting done with some deliverables, then changes of brands that I need to do, and once I'm done with that, I will go.
A few moments later.
You guys, वापस आंधी आ रही है. Look at how everything is just flying. Can you see that auntie's kapda is flying? It's 3 o'clock and it's so dark. Crazy winds are blowing. बारिश आना शुरू हो गई है. Look at that wind sound. I'm scared to open the window. Crazy things are just flying. That's my bedroom's curtain. Oh my god, that's my bedroom's curtain. People are just keeping their clothes inside. Hello, तुम लोग गिर जाओगे. And मेरा पर्दा जा रहा है window के बाहर. Over here on the 31st floor, बारिश is not fun. It's like a तूफान. पूरा का पूरा पर्दा बाहर जा रहा है मेरा. अरे नहीं. It's crazy when it rains over here. The wind is a lot. वो पूरा ocean से हवा तेज हवा आती है.
A little later.
Steve Madden. I'm excited to buy footwear after so long. I hope I get my size though. Yeah. इसमें मेरा साइज दोगे?
मैं क्या अच्छी होगा?
आपकी सबसे बड़ी साइज दो.
37 is the biggest size.
Really? That's the biggest problem यार. कोई और स्टोर में भी नहीं है, आप मंगा भी नहीं सकते हो. मेरे को 37 दिखा दो.
What to? ये 37 है. 37.
ऐसे कैसे पैन इंडिया सोल्ड आउट?
Because those sizes have moved out really quick.
This is the biggest problem with Steve Madden. Sizes, yeah, I know. I always come here, I like something and I can't buy. Quite high. मैं 6 फुट की हूँ bro. मैं कितनी लंबी हो जाऊँगी? But you had said you want closed toed.
Yeah, but this looks really good. The green and the white.
This is also
This is
pretty.
also very good.
ये तो पूरा बर्बेरी का कॉपी है यार. Same to same. मैं ले लूँ क्या? Dupe. चार्ल्सन की इतने बोटेगा को कॉपी किया है, इन लोग इसको कॉपी कर रहे हैं. Dupes. The silhouette looks good on me. अभी ऑप्शंस अपने पास कम है ना, अपन ट्राई करेंगे ऑल्डो में भी. These look a little bulky. I actually find these more uncomfortable to walk because every time you walk they lift, right? So yeah, like that was holding my feet in place properly.
I love this. Is my favorite. I'm very comfortable.
Very comfortable. These are hands down my most favorite heels. If I buy them, this is the favorite pair I have worn. Oh, so nice, so pretty, so delicate, and so comfortable to walk in. Very, very comfortable.
A few moments later.
Butter yellow is the color of the season. So good. It'll be too short for me, this dress. Otherwise, I would take it. Top is cute though. But lamba, it's somewhere in between a kurta and a top. I'll take some outfits. It's been a while I've done any shopping.
Definitely in this garden from.
If Sharon is saying I need to buy, matlab I need to buy. We need yellow sometimes for brands. I like that the length is coming back. You know, crop top का ज़माना गया finally.
Yeah.
I'm ready to throw all my crop tops. ये चप्पल में कुछ चप्पल ही नहीं है. इतनी पतली चप्पल क्या मतलब इसमें क्या padding और क्या comfort मिलेगा? I love the color and the style, but there's no padding. Butter yellow, gold bag, pearl bag. Yeah, there's so much. Zara haul करना पड़ेगा इसके बाद. I think prices in Zara are changed because they were not this much.
5 minutes later.
I love this top. It's so nice and so well fitting. I'm taking this in 2 colors, this and this yellow shade. And these pants, they are too long for me. तो एक size नीचे खरीदूंगी. I tried the white and large and I tried this in extra large. So I'm gonna take it in large, both the colors. So good, so comfortable.
A few moments later.
Oh my god guys, सारी जो weightlifting कर रही हूँ, अभी मेरे bags की weightlifting हो रही है.
You put mine, give mine.
This is yours. Leaving it for them only. Don't ask me how much I spent at Zara after so many years. I'm coming here after 1.5 years. सारी की सारी shopping गाड़ी में fit कर ली. Very successful shopping day as we planned. We got everything. Yes, let's go. I think this vlog goes Sunday and people will know by then.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah. If 10th is Saturday, if 10th is when they are planning, then yeah.
Yeah.
It's out, guys.
I don't know. I don't know. I am not taking any chances and saying anything now.
Yeah.
But if you already know, if it's already out on Instagram, then yay! All this shopping is for that.
Yeah.
Okay, successful day.
Yeah,
Didn't
we-
waste money. I think this was also long overdue because ever since I have become a new size, I have never taken like a full wardrobe refresh, and now I've been this same size since a year. एक साल बाद I finally decided I went all out. जितने trousers अच्छे लगे सब ले लिया, जितने tops अच्छे लगे सब ले लिया. I will donate all my old trousers or old everything जिस पे सिलाई विलाई मार के I was using अभी
Oh my
तक.
god.
Yeah. But now finally I can because I'm not like becoming any smaller or hopefully not larger. So yeah, okay.
A few inches later.
Last while I was leaving Zara, I took this. I didn't even know it. I didn't even try it. But I was like, a good black. I need a good new black dress. You know, I stopped fitting well into my clothes. Like, आज का जो भी dress मैंने पहनी है pink वाला, it was my straps were falling all the time. It was bagging so much because I'm not fit well into my clothes in a year now. No, Faji, how am I looking very sexy? Sexy? इसमें I'll wear that underneath का shapewear.
Yeah.
And just snatch it up.
The next day.
What's up you guys, it is Thursday today and we've just come back from our final fittings and trials. I don't know if you all know yet for what it is, but we're back. I took my impulse coffees जो kept me fueled because हम निकले थे 11:30 बजे और हम वापस आ रहे 4 बजे. हेलो, भूख लगी है, खाना दो. भूख भूख मम्मी मम्मी बोल खाना खाना खाना. What is this? नहीं जिगल नहीं हो रहा है. क्या है ये? बराबर नहीं बना.
बराबर बना है बट उसका जैसा वो उसको सांचा बनना चाहिए वैसा नहीं हुआ.
तो डिस्कार्ड कर रहे हैं रेसिपी.
नहीं, एक हो गया डिस्कार्ड है.
कौन सा?
लावा केक.
अरे 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 क्या हो गया? लावा क्यों पिघल गया? आज तेरा ना तू आया है ना.
वो तो आदमी नहीं
चलो ये कट नहीं करना. ताहा का यहाँ पे भी ये कट नहीं करना. अच्छा तुम्हें मतलब जेवन ना, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी. तुमने मेरे आउटफिट पे एकदम वाओ रिएक्शन नहीं दी.
फोन ही नहीं था ना, हम लोग इतने शूट में बिजी थे.
अरे अरे मम्मी का भी मेरे लिए टाइम ही नहीं. मैं बोली सैटरडे तो मैंने सोची थी मैं तुम्हारे साथ मॉल जाऊंगी, फिर तुम शूट कर रही होगी.
आई एम वेरी बिजी. आई एम एन इन्फ्लुएंसर नाउ.
One eternity later.
Alright you guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. It has been an exhausting couple of days. Every day is just going behind prepping for this secret project, which I don't know at this point if y'all know. If y'all don't know when exactly it's going to be announced, it's not in my hands. But once it's announced and once the embargo is lifted and I can finally say out loud what's happening, I can't even. I have like flowers, like beautiful flowers being sent over from brand teams. I'm like really gonna cherish this because it's truly happening. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to take y'all with me. Y'all know I'm gonna take y'all everywhere with me. आप लोग मेरे साथ हर जगह चलोगे. जहां मैं जा रही हूँ आप चलोगे, तो यहाँ तो आप जरूर चलोगे. It's going to be a travel with Sar. आपको पता है कि हम कहीं जा रहे हैं, इसलिए सारे डब्बे आ रहे हैं, फूल आ रहे हैं, सब like everybody celebrating this travel with Sar. It's a huge deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if there's not a lot of information in this vlog, but we've done a lot of shopping. The shopping hauls मैं shoot करूंगी कल and you will get a chance to see a lot of shopping hauls, so stay tuned for that. Like shopping videos, packing videos and travel with Sar, it's all coming and it's all going to be fun and exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For your Sasko shout goes to Vaishnavi Deep. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part next to your Sasko shout, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad and chance for my next video Sara Squad. As is based on a real bye guys, love you.